Hey, would you like to relax more this time of year? Well, stay tuned because today I'm sharing 5 amazing bath products that will help you have the most relaxing soak ever, according to the internet. Now, here's the thing. My name is Cece Cheney, and today I ran across an article that said that I had missed National Bathtub Party Day. Okay, there are days for everything, and apparently there is a National Bathtub Party Day, and that was on December 5th, and I did not get that memo. Now, did you know that that was a thing? Let me know, because I sure didn't, and I am somebody who loves a good soak. In fact, I love a good soak so much. When we were still in the States, I forced hubby to buy me a hot tub, right? Because there's nothing as calming and relaxing as a really good soak. So I thought, just because we missed the national day does not mean that you and I do not deserve a little relaxation. So today I'm sharing 5 products that can help you recreate that relaxing bath or shower experience anytime, because who says that December 5th is the only day that you should pamper yourself a little bit? I'm here to tell you, I disagree, right? So let's dig into these products, these items that you might want to add to your Christmas wish list so that you can have the rest and relaxation and rejuvenation that your body is begging you for. I know you've worked hard all year long, right? You've worked so hard and your body is like, please pamper me, right? So the very first thing that this article I was reading this morning suggested is if you are somebody who is going to soak in a tub, for example, you might want to make that a little bit more comfortable. And this is not something that I have ever used, and I thought about it, and I was like, oh, that could be really lovely. And that is going and getting yourself a nice, comfy bath pillow, right? So rather than sort of laying on the hard porcelain of a tub, you can get you a bath pillow so that you can really relax and enjoy the moment. That's number 1. Now, number 2 is all about making sure that you have that sort of intoxicating, calming scent, skin nourishing goodness, right? So that your body feels so good while you're experiencing this. Now, if you are a shower person, we'll talk about something else in a second. But if you like to take baths, some real fun things that you can do, you can even DIY some of this, right? Bath salts are something that you can get super simple. You can get it at a local store. You can buy it on Amazon, but it can make the experience so much better. Bath oils, if you want to leave that bath feeling just completely nourished and yummy, bath oils is where it's at. I totally agree with that one. And not sure if you knew about this one, but bath teas are actually making quite a big comeback lately. And this allows you to have some nice herbs that can do you right for your skin and for your body and your mental well-being, right? Now, I know not everybody is a bather. Some people prefer to shower. One of the things that we love this time of year is actually shower steamers, right? So instead of like a bath bomb, it's like a steamer that allows you to have sort of that like aromatherapy, steamy experience in the shower, which means that every shower can feel luxurious for you. If you want some info on that, feel free to shoot me a message. We actually have some that I love, and I'd be more than happy to send you some info on that. But that is definitely the shower version of the bath salts, bath oils, bath tea, okay? And 5th and finally, which I thought was super interesting and had not heard of until I read this article this morning, if you are somebody who likes to kick back in that shower with a nice glass of in that bath with a nice glass of wine and a good book to read, or maybe your iPad with your book on it, right? You don't want those things to fall in, right? You do not want to lose your wine in the tub, and you definitely don't want your iPad or Kindle or phone falling in, right? So there are actually caddies that you can get to put your wine glass and to put your iPad on so that they do not get wet. Hello, I thought that was so cool. So I saw one on Amazon. I was so curious about this. I have never sipped wine in the tub, but I have sipped wine in the hot tub, right? And so I thought this was really cool. There's one called a sip caddy where you can actually just put your little glass on there and it just hangs on the wall when you need to put that down and flip your page. Which is so cool, right? I love this time of year because all of the cool gadgets come out. there's all of these really fun guides and things that help you find exactly what it is that you're looking for. So those are, I think technically I might have given you 6 or 7 things, but those are at least 5 relaxing bath products that you didn't even know that you needed until this video, right? So get your bath pillow so that you can lay out and really relax and enjoy it. Get those bath salts, bath oils, bath teas, shower steamers if you prefer a shower. And don't forget your sip caddy for that wine glass and your place to hold your iPad / Kindle, whatever your jam is for that, okay? Now, here's the thing. If you've worked hard all year long and you would really like to relax, be sure to shoot me a message. I have actually put together a holiday guide with some of my favorite relaxing and body nourishing products that can help you give yourself and the people that you love the gift of health this year. So if you would like to take a little peek inside of that holiday guide, send me a message and I will send it your way. Otherwise, I will chat with you tomorrow. So appreciate you joining me today, and I look forward to chatting with you. Ciao.